rips like mad. Oh my god. Supercharged Downing-Atlanta Magnuson Supercharger on a little 1996 BMW Z3. Has about 220 horsepower. Such fun to drive. Oh my god. I haven't driven it in a few weeks because it's just been too hot in Atlanta, but now the temperature is finally coming down a little bit. Nice and pleasant this evening. So we're gonna get out in the Beamer a little bit this evening. This thing is so much fun, oh my god. Also has the Supersprint exhaust. Catless also, because catalytic converters are not required on a car of this age in the state of Georgia. So, no cat, straight pipe right out the back. It has a little bit of a muffler in the very back, but not much. Very lightweight car, you know, like 2,500 pounds. Freaking awesome. Anyway, check out our channel. We got tons of videos relating to motorcycles and dirt bikes and hot rods and classic cars. Fun stuff, you know, fixing things, testing things, showing off things, just all kinds of great stuff. So check out our channel, and we also have an eBay store. eBay store, Amazon store, the links in the description. Check it all out. Anyway, this car is fantastic. I'll probably have it for sale maybe in the fall, I don't know. I like it too much to sell it right now. And I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, so be on the lookout. You know, if I'm going to put it up for sale, I will put a walk around video on my channel. But it won't be cheap, so hate to break it to you. When you get the DASC Z3 for sale, they're very rare, very hard to find, first of all. So it won't be a freebie. I hate to break it to you. This thing is fantastic. Anyway, that's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.